I'd like to start off with a big thank you to all our subscribers here at Wombat Coaching and let you know that your comments and suggestions are important. This particular video is brought to you from a comment from Christian, one of our amazing subscribers, who recently suggested that I look into creating a comparison between Amazon KDP and the new Kobo publishing platform. As you know, we're all about helping you discover your passion for earning online. So understanding the differences between these two platforms is crucial for making informed decisions about your publishing journey. So in today's video, I'll be exploring the pros and cons of Amazon KDP and Kobo and help you decide which platform is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. So just to be clear, Kobo Writing Life primarily focuses on ebook publishing and does not offer paperback or hardcover book publishing options. If you're looking to publish physical books, you might want to consider other platforms like Amazon KDP and a number of other platforms I will mention later on. So as a content creator, it is essential to choose the right platform that aligns with your publishing goals and target audience. Let's start with an overview of Amazon KDP and Kobo Writing Life. Firstly, I'll briefly introduce each platform. As many of you already know, Amazon KDP is a popular self-publishing platform that allows authors to publish their ebooks and paperbacks on Amazon's marketplace. Kindle Direct Publishing started in 2007 as a self-publishing platform for authors to publish their ebooks and reach a global audience. It has been growing since its inception, with more authors joining the platform and an increasing number of readers accessing the content. To access the content on KDP, readers can use Amazon Kindle e-readers, the Kindle app on smartphones and tablets, or visit the Amazon website to browse and purchase ebooks. Kobo Writing Life, on the other hand, is the self-publishing arm of Kobo, a global ebook retailer. Kobo Writing Life was launched in 2012. It has been growing since its inception, with more authors joining the platform and an increasing number of readers accessing the content. To access the content on Kobo, readers can use the Kobo e-reader, Kobo app on smartphones and tablets, or visit the Kobo website to browse and purchase ebooks. Both platforms offer unique benefits and challenges, so let's look at the details. To publish your ebooks on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing and Kobo Writing Life, you need to visit their respective websites and create an account. For KDP, go to the KDP website and sign in with your Amazon account or create a new one. For Kobo Writing Life, visit the Kobo Writing Life website and sign up for a new account. I've put the links in the description below. Once you have an account on each platform, you can follow their guidelines and steps to upload, format and publish your ebooks. Publishing your ebook on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing and Kobo Writing Life is generally free. Both platforms allow authors to upload and publish their ebooks without upfront costs. However, they do take a percentage of the royalties earned from the sales of your ebooks. The royalty rates vary depending on factors such as the ebook's price, the region it's sold in, and the platform's specific terms and conditions. So what are the royalties and pricing? One of the main factors to consider when choosing a self-publishing platform is the royalty structure. Amazon KDP offers a 70% royalty rate for ebooks priced between $2.99 and $9.99 and a 35% royalty rate for ebooks outside of that range. Kobo Writing Life also offers a 70% royalty rate for ebooks priced above $2.99 and a 45% royalty rate for ebooks priced below $2.99. It's essential to weigh these differences when deciding which platform to use. Global reach and market share. Amazon is the largest ebook retailer globally, with a significant market share in the United States, the United Kingdom and other major markets. Kobo, while not as dominant, has a strong presence in Canada, Australia and several European countries. If you're targeting a specific market, it's crucial to consider each platform's reach in that region. Publishing process and user experience. Both Amazon KDP and Kobo Writing Life offer user-friendly publishing processes, but there are some differences. Amazon KDP has a more extensive range of tools and resources for authors, while Kobo Writing Life offers a simpler, more streamlined experience. Depending on your preferences and needs, one platform may be more appealing than the other. Exclusive versus non-exclusive publishing. Amazon KDP offers the option to enrol in KDP Select, an exclusive program that provides additional promotional opportunities and access to Kindle Unlimited. However, this requires exclusivity, meaning you cannot publish your ebook on other platforms. Kobo Writing Life does not have an exclusivity requirement, allowing you to publish your ebook on multiple platforms simultaneously. So both Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Kobo Writing Life have their advantages and drawbacks. While Amazon KDP has a larger market share and offers exclusive benefits through KDP Select, Kobo Writing Life provides a non-exclusive publishing option with a more straightforward user experience. Ultimately, the choice depends on your goals, target audience and personal preferences. So what are the other options for paperback or hardcover book publishing? There are several alternatives for paperback publishing besides Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Some popular options include Ingram Spark, Lulu and Barnes & Noble Press. Each platform has its own set of features, pricing and distribution options, so it's essential to research and compare them to find the best fit for your publishing goals and target audience. I hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision on the best platform for your self-publishing journey. Thanks again, Christian, for the suggestion to compare KDP with Kobo. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to make a note in the comments. I'll always do my best to answer any questions or suggestions you may have. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Wombat Coaching for more tips and insights on earning online. I'll see you in the next video.